How to restrict someone on Threads so you can limit their interactions with your account without blocking them. First, open the Threads app and go to the profile of the person you want to restrict. Once you're on their profile, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Restrict. A confirmation message may appear explaining what happens when you restrict someone. Simply here is "See the account restricted" appear on screen. Once enabled, that account will be restricted. This helps you manage unwanted interactions while allowing you to keep the person on your followers list without blocking them. If you ever want to remove the restriction, here go to the same profile, tap the three-dot menu, and select Unrestrict. An account unrestricted appear on screen. And that's how you can restrict someone on Threads. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy Threads tutorials. Thanks for watching.